Hello, my name is Megan Barr, and I'm a professional communications student at Gateway Technical College in Kenosha, Wisconsin, and one of the NCORE 2021 Student Scholars. Thank you for viewing my poster, Cleaning Your Own House, Transforming the Wisconsin Technical College System in Advancing Equity and Inclusion, a Student Context. Gateway Technical College is one of 16 technical colleges in the Wisconsin Technical College System, also known as WTCS. WTCS serves 300,000 plus students each year. A system-wide equity report conducted in 2018 revealed that among those students, significant equity gaps exist for WTCS students of color and students who are female, economically disadvantaged, or have disabilities. For example, the report found that students with these identities are disproportionately enrolled in programs with the lowest median earnings. The report also revealed gaps for minoritized staff populations. Among those employed at the 16 technical colleges within the system, people of color are overrepresented in maintenance and service positions and underrepresented in faculty and administration positions. With clear data revealing equity gaps within the state technical college system and recent, profoundly disheartening incidents happening around the country and even within the state of Wisconsin, the Wisconsin Technical College System and the college leaders, faculty, staff, and alumni have been called to action and are being held increasingly accountable for advancing equity and inclusion transformational change efforts. As a result, the Wisconsin Technical College System leadership has embarked on the journey to design equity and inclusion practices and interventions under the 5 Commitments to Progress model. The 16 technical colleges in Wisconsin have adopted the 5 Commitments to Progress model in alignment with their context and in advancing equity and inclusion at their respective institutions. The 5 Commitments to Progress model consists of 1. Sustained conversations on systemic racism and policy reform. 2. Focus on equity in student access and success. 3. Use data to close equity gaps. 4. Review hiring and retention policies. 5. Increase transparency. This poster session will highlight 2 Wisconsin technical colleges, Gateway Technical College and Northeast Wisconsin Technical College, also known as NWTC, and examine the effective, broad-scale, institution-wide interventions that align with the Wisconsin Technical College System 5 Commitments to Progress. For Gateway Technical College, I use number 2, focus on equity in student access and success, to highlight Gateway's work as an emerging Hispanic serving institution. This is featured underneath advancing equity through servingness. I also used number 1, sustained conversations on systemic racism and policy reform to highlight the ouch, that stereotype hurts curriculum that Gateway has used to educate students, staff, faculty, administration, and board members on anti-racist language and communication. This is featured underneath inclusive and anti-racist communication. For Northeast Wisconsin Technical College, I used number 5, increase transparency, to highlight NWTC's I Respect movement that was created to cultivate a welcoming and safe environment for all staff and students at the college. This is featured underneath central messaging for the advancement of equity and inclusion. I use number 4, review hiring and retention policies, to highlight NWTC's Inclusively Course series, which are a series of sessions designed to provide employees with tools that they can use to create an inclusive environment and increase student learning. This is featured underneath advancing representation through strategic and inclusive hiring. If you want to learn more about the ways other colleges in the system are working on the Commitments to Progress in advancing DEI, you can go to the bottom right corner of the poster underneath the Northeast Wisconsin Technical College section scan the QR code using your phone or click the link to the right of the QR code to access the Cleaning Your Own House Google site. Here you will find the resources used to make this poster, including WTCS's equity report and 5-commitment model, Gateway's DEI initiatives, NWTC's DEI initiatives, and initiatives and work being done by the other 14 technical colleges in the state. Before I go, I would just like to say that I hope this poster session will not only inspire other technical colleges and community colleges to submit their own sessions for future NCOREs, but will also inspire NCORE to include more sessions, workshops, and overall conversations surrounding technical and community colleges in their programming. The work that 2-year institutions are doing in advancing equity and inclusion efforts on their own campuses and in their communities is incredibly important, but rarely discussed in higher education spaces such as NCORE. Lastly, I would just like to thank my supervisor and mentor, Jomari Coloriano, for all your support and guidance on this project, my own college, Gateway Technical College, in their support, Northeast Wisconsin Technical College, for allowing me to include them in my project, and lastly, the Wisconsin Technical College system for allowing me to do this project and providing me with support along the way. Thank you and enjoy.